Hey guys, it's me, Christina Marie. I am doing an eyeliner tutorial. I'm actually putting this eyeliner to the test, and then I'm going to check in later to see if it actually works. This is the LimeLight by Alcone. I don't know if you guys have heard of this brand, but I have a representative named Brook Myers who sent, Brook Hansen. I don't know why I said Myers. Brook Hansen who sent this to me, and she sent me a few products and wanted me to test this. This actually says smudge proof liquid liner, so I'm going to do a close-up and see if how it goes on. I did notice that it's kind of lovely that the fact that like it looks like a felt tip, but it's really not. It's actually all these super tiny little hairs. It's a brush, that's what I meant, not hairs. And it glides on pretty well, but I did, I'm going to just zoom you guys in so you guys can see. It says smudge proof, so I'm going to turn on the camera after I've applied it to my eye and see if this smudge is off or not. Okay, let's open this up and see how it does on the eye. So it glides on really nicely. I'm actually enjoying the fact that it's a very sharp brush. What do you guys think? I think the tip is very flexible on the eye. It doesn't pull the skin, and it kind of just glides right on. Put some tape on and do that wing. So it's kind of lovely that I'm not putting hardly any pressure. You guys can see. Oh, that's nice. I can get super close. Okay guys, so I did love the fact that the brush is the liner is so finely pointed that I could get really deep into the corners. But like I said, after I was done applying it, let's see if it's actually smudge proof. So we're gonna get close here and we're just gonna clean finger. We're just gonna go. Okay, nothing. Okay, nothing. Now, I'm actually gonna get a lot harder. Ready? Here we go. You guys can see I'm moving my skin here. Wow. I was actually thinking some was going to come off. Nothing. I like that. Hey guys, I thought I would turn on the camera and tell you guys, like, I don't know what happened to the ending of the video, so I thought I would turn on the camera the next day and tell you that eyeliner was actually really darn good. For it to be smudge proof is pretty impressive, because especially if you girls like to rub your eyes, or forget, like, oh, I have itchy eyes, I'm gonna rub my eye, and then your eye makeup is all over the place. To have a smudge proof eyeliner is pretty impressive. I've never heard of this company, but if you guys have heard of this company, let me know down below in the comments. And I will actually post Brooks, the representative who sent me this stuff. I'll post her information down below. This is not a sponsored video, and I do not know Brooke. This is just an honest review, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. So if you did enjoy this review, please push that thumbs up button and the subscribe and a tiny little bell next to it. I'm Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye.